Now the other day we fitted up a couple of these Clearview Compact Mirrors to the 80 series. Now the reason why we did is because I wanted to get a lot more vision when it comes to this type of truck, especially if you've jacked it up and you're out in the bush and you're rock crawling and things like that. And what it allows you to do, you get so much more vision when you're reversing up, when you're in tight places, and it's also a towing mirror. Now this is the compact, right? And that's my favorite out of the mirrors. It's got one single lens, as you can see, and it's a convex lens. And mate, the vision that you can see out these mirrors is just massive. There are three styles that you can put on the 80 series LandCruiser. You've got the classic, you've got the next gen, and of course the compact, which we've got on this 80. Now you maintain all the functions, okay, all the electric functions that, guess what, a 35-year-old car still has, which is basically you can do all the adjustment from inside the cab, or if you wanted to and you don't have that set up in your 80 series, you can just push the mirror like that and make the adjustment manually like they did in the old days. Now, I don't know about you, but we might do some towing on this rig, and if we do, it's got those features to allow us to expand the mirrors so you can see what you're towing. As long as what you're towing is wider than the vehicle, then you can pull these out and you'll be perfectly legal. Now, the compact, it's a good mirror for this truck. It suits it really well. Makes it looks a little bit more modern with the roof rack and the bull bars and all the stuff that we put on it. So next time you're looking for some mirrors and you want to get rid of those standard ones, they're quite small, as you can see, mate, give Clearview a call and get yourself a set of compacts.